Again, dog nutters inside the store. Today is November 6th, and another dog nutter coming out of the store. Today is November 6th, and no, I'm sorry. Today is November 8th. Starting today, dogs are not allowed to be inside the store. They're supposed to kick them out or impose fine on them, making them pay. They're supposed to make them pay for everything. These dog nutters are violating the law. They're not supposed to be inside the store. I started filming them on purpose because I knew that the law will not be implemented. I had to go to the customer service and I had to complain to them. I left a complaint, and they said that dog nutters are sneaking inside. And I asked them, why? You have security at the entrance. Why are they not kicking dog nutters out of the store? They are standing right there and they are letting them in. They're supposed to kick them out of the store. And she said, yes, we understand everything. I'm gonna call the security guard and we will be searching that dog which is inside the store. And I said, that happened 15 minutes ago. They probably left already. And she said, yeah, we will take measures. Hey, starting today, dogs officially are not allowed inside the grocery store. Inside any grocery store. And these entitled ass nutters think that they are above everyone. The only reason they don't care is that they have no accountability. They need to be punished. You see another dog nutter coming out of the store. She came out of the bakery. She came out right of this bakery. I don't see the order. They're supposed to implement those laws. It's not happening. Today is the first day, and I see no changes. I will be passing more stores, and I will see if they have any dogs over there, and I will be filming them. If I see any dog inside the store, I will be filming this dog, and dog nutters as well.